the global aerospace industry has once again been amazed. Turkey's next-generation jet trainer, the TAI HÜRJET, has successfully broken the sound barrier in its latest series of tests. This achievement is not only a technical milestone, but also a symbol of Turkey's emerging aerospace technology on the international stage. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, the Hürjet is designed as both an advanced jet trainer and a light combat aircraft LC. With its proven supersonic capabilities, the Hürjet goes beyond mere training aircraft. It enters the elite category of high-performance jet trainers. The Hürjet program arose from the Turkish Air Force's need to replace its aging fleet of jet trainers, such as the Northrop T-38 Talon, which had been in service for decades. However, Turkey's vision goes beyond mere replacement. In its latest test flight, the Hürjet officially surpassed the speed of sound, Mach 1, making it Turkey's first domestically developed supersonic jet trainer. The speed of sound at sea level is around 1,235 kilometers per hour, depending on atmospheric conditions. When an aircraft reaches Mach 1, a phenomenon known as a sonic boom occurs, a shockwave caused by compressed air that doesn't have time to escape the aircraft's speed. For the aerospace world, this achievement is proof of a strong and stable airframe structure, an optimally functioning flight control system, engines capable of producing adequate thrust, and efficient aerodynamic design in both transonic and supersonic modes. One of the Hürjet's greatest achievements is its ability to break the speed of sound, Mach 1. Not all training jets are capable of operating at supersonic speeds. With this performance, the Hürjet provides aspiring pilots with a realistic experience before they take control of frontline fighter jets like the F-16 Fighting Falcon, or even fifth-generation jets like the TAI HÜRJET. The Hürjet is equipped with an advanced digital cockpit based on a multi-function display, and this glass cockpit concept provides a more modern and flexible instrument layout than traditional analog panels. The cockpit's outstanding features include a high-resolution touchscreen, a HOTAS hands-on throttle and stick system, a head-up display HUD, and simulated radar and combat sensors. One of the Hürjet's key technologies is the fly-by-wire control system. In this system, the movement of the control levers is no longer directly connected mechanically to the aircraft's control surfaces, but is instead controlled by electronic signals. Advantages: more precise maneuver response, increased flight stability, flight envelope protection, reduced pilot workload. The Hürjet's advanced capabilities extend beyond its role as a training aircraft. It is also designed to carry weapons and perform light combat missions. Armed configurations can include short-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, rockets and weapon pods, modern targeting systems. With these capabilities, the Hürjet can function as light attack aircraft, close air support CAS, armed patrol, counterinsurgency operations. The supersonic trainer jet market is not a vacuum. Several major players already exist, such as the KT-50 Golden Eagle from South Korea and the Alenia Aermacchi M346 Master from Italy. Hürjet's entry into this segment marks a new chapter in global competition. Turkey's key advantages are a combination of competitive pricing, domestic production, export flexibility, and industrial cooperation packages. Developing countries seeking to build defense independence now have a new alternative to Western or Russian products. Hürjet's success also has strategic implications for the development of Turkey's fifth-generation fighter jet, the TAI TF-Con. Mastery of supersonic aerodynamics, advanced avionics integration, and digital flight control systems are crucial foundations for this stealth fighter project. In other words, Hürjet is not simply a finished product, but a stepping stone to greater aerospace ambitions. Despite successfully breaking the sound barrier, Hürjet's journey is not over. The next stages include full military certification, weapons integration, testing, operational evaluation by the Air Force, and an international export campaign. Long-term reliability, operational costs, and global logistical support will be critical factors for success in the international market. For Turkey, this achievement has deeper significance. Over the past 2 decades, the country has aggressively invested in the defense and high-tech industries. The Hürjet is a tangible symbol of this transformation from a technology buyer to a developer and exporter. This momentum strengthens Turkey's position as a serious emerging player in the global aerospace industry. If it can maintain consistent development and production quality, the Hürjet has the potential to become a new icon in the world of supersonic jet trainers. The Hürjet's sonic boom is more than just a sound that pierces the air. It echoes ambition, innovation, and technological independence. By successfully reaching Mach 1, the Hürjet has proven that Turkey is capable of competing at the highest levels of the aerospace industry.